Hey everyone, my name is Oscar and I'm a senior software engineer here at GoLinks. Today I'll be showing you how GoLinks helps save time and improve productivity for DevOps engineers. Let me start with this scenario. Say you're on the road and you suddenly receive a Slack notification from your teammate asking how they can access the document that goes over the code deploy process. Now most likely you're not going to remember this long URL, but fortunately for you, you use GoLinks and all you have to remember is go/code deploy process. It's simple, quick, and much easier to remember than the full URL. Now your teammate can quickly access the resource and move on with their day. Another thing that I like about GoLinks is the tag search functionality that allows you to search for any tag names. So you can either do that by using the search bar or by going to go/hashtag and then the name of the tag. Let me use AWS for this example. So now I'll get redirected to the page that shows me all the GoLinks that have the tag name AWS. You can search for any tags that you have available and you can create as many tags as you want to group your resources. And finally, the last thing I want to go over is one of my favorite GoLinks that I use all the time, go/EC2. This GoLink redirects me to the EC2 console where I'm able to view all our instances sorted by their name. But since this is a variable link, I'm able to do more. I can search for specific instances such as go/EC2/stage to view all my stage instances, or go/EC2/prod to view all my prod instances. And you can see here in the URL that we have the search parameter that allows for this search in AWS, and it's enclosed in the curly braces that we use for the variable link. This is just one example for AWS, but you can use variable links for any of your DevOps resources, such as GCP or Datadog. To learn more about variable links, you can check out our Help Center post that goes into more detail. Thank you.